It's a bubbling. Sitting out here in a snowstorm with N Fish N Nation. I forgot my SD card, so I pushed play to record and I didn't get it on video. But I got a nice channel kitty. So, sit on this bucket for a while and see what happens. I'm out here using some cut bait. It's actually white bass. And I've had so many bites, that's all that's left. Let's see what happens out here in this snowstorm. So I'm catching them on big chunks of white bass. Let's toss it back out and see if we can get one. Not sure if he's all. Oh, something's pecking. Oh, yep, there we go. There we go. Got him that time. Feels like a pretty good fish. Y'all be over 5 pounds at least. Alright, snowstorm fishing. Come on. Well, probably another 5-pounder. Look at that big clean channel kitty. Hardly dangling his lip. Solid good fish right there. Very nice. CUTBAIT white bass. Whole bunch of coots. Out here snowstorm fishing. Oh man, there's a big fish. There's a dang good fish. And he just laid down on the bottom. Oh, come on. Feels like a better one than the 5-pounder, unless he's tangled up sideways. I know he's fighting really weird. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Oh, he's rolling like a cat. Oh, that's a nice big cat. Try not to fall in. Look at that dandy. That's what we're here for. Take a look at this big boy. Big old nasty kitty. £12, 13 ounces. Oh, there we go. There goes one. Well, I had a hit on both poles after sitting here with nothing happening. I'm guessing 5 pounds. Kyler, grab my other pole. That one's going. Unless we're over each other. Nope, just grab it. Is he there?
Yep, he's out.
Doubled up. Really? Dang it. Well, another 4 or 5 pounder. Did he come off? Well, it must be moving in here. Look at that. Trout head right in the mouth. Anyone who says trout can't catch catfish, there's your proof. Go on, get out of there, buddy. There you go. If you like this video, go ahead and hit subscribe, like, leave a comment for me. Thanks.